Microscope, microscope, microscope show.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show. Microscope.
Welcome back to
Scope.
Show. I'm Doug.
I'm Brent.
Okay, today, look at this. Thread.
Right?
Needles.
Huh?
Let's see if we can...
Have you ever wanted to see what getting a thread through, or threading a needle looked like up close? Well, today's your chance.
You know, it's actually really hard to do.
Well, no. What I use is there's a special thing that you have, and it might be in this thing here. Let me see. It's not. There's a thing I use to do this, which it's this sort of thing, and you basically you stick that through the thing.
Okay,
and
it doesn't matter.
Oh, that's easy. That was easy enough. Let's get a shot of that.
It.
Now that is pretty neat, actually. Look at that. Look at the thread going in there. It looks like a rope.
Yeah, for real.
Stick it in. And look at that. Did you ever think a thread was that sort of coarse looking, you know?
It's
no.
like braided.
Yeah. Thread seems like a fine thing. This looks like a rope, a rugged rope
Yeah.
going through a thing.
Let's look at the tip of the needle.
Look at that.
You know, really.
Can we get a full frontal view of it? Look at that. Look at that.
Watch this. So when you stab something.
Look at that. That's cool.
That's kind of cool.
All right, cool.
Rack focus down the pole. There we go.
Look at that.
There's the thread. There's the needle and thread. Let me get it around the back once more. Watch me pull it out.
Wait, hold on. Okay. Look at it go through there.
Look at it.
Look at that.
Boom.
Wow. Another great Patreon exclusive.
Microscope, microscope, microscope show.